Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can export your board into Excel. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at Monday.com or log into our existing account. Once we are in here, it doesn't matter if you're in your main workspace or tutorial workspace. We want to go to the board. Where are your informations or your details and all the work that you're working on? At the moment, let's say we are working on our employees. And we want to move this board into Excel sheet. Straight away, we want to go to the top right corner on these three dots. And we want to go to the almost last option in this pop-up window. And as you can see, export board to Excel. Include sub-items. Sub-items are here. So yeah, you want them to be seen, preferably. Export to Excel, include update and export. Just a moment, we are exporting, and we have to give it a minute. Hopefully my internet is not deceiving me right now. But once this wheel is done, spinning around, you'll get, as you can see, your export is ready, and we just downloaded our folder. So yet again, more actions and export board to Excel. So that's about it, guys. It's very easy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.